Good afternoon, one and all. As a former Mindtree Mind, I am ecstatic to meet Mr. Subrato and Mr. Jani again after a gap of 1 year. On behalf of DOG, NITT, I welcome them to our campus. Mr. Subrato Bakshi is best known for co-founding Mindtree in 1999, where he started as the Chief Operating Officer. In 2008, Subrato took the role of the gardener in Mindtree. From humble beginnings, he went on to achieve extraordinary professional success, eventually co-founding Mindtree, one of India's most admired software services companies. Subrato Bakshi grew up amidst what he calls the material simplicity of rural and small-town Orissa, imbibing from his family a sense of contentment, constant wonder, connectedness to a large whole, and learning from unusual sources. True to his own words, Subrato is indeed an extraordinary Indian. Mr. Subrato was born in a small town called Patnagar in the state of Orissa in 1957. He holds a degree in political science from Utkal University, Bhubaneswar. He started his career as a clerk in a government office in Orissa at a mere monthly salary of Rs 305 3 decades ago. Giving up the government job, he joined DCM as a management trainee in 1977, where he got a first-hand impression of the corporate world. He then stepped into the IT world and rose to become Wipro's Global R&D Chief Executive. After a successful stint at Wipro, he moved to Lucent Technologies. But in the heart of hearts, he always believed that an entrepreneur should be a catalyst for social change. Mr. Bakshi, along with Mr. Ashok Soota, the then Vice President of Wipro, and 8 other successful professionals who came from varied backgrounds, founded Mindtree Consulting in 1999. In a span of just 7 years, Mindtree has recorded phenomenal growth and is now reckoned as a powerful global IT brand. In fact, Mindtree is India's first venture-funded IT services company to go from an idea to an IPO. Today, Mindtree is a strong 5,600 member strong team with presence in 18 countries with a wide range of service offerings in both IT solutions as well as product realization services. Apart from this, he is also known as a great orator and writer. Subrato has written hundreds of articles on management and technology issues in leading newspapers and magazines. His Business World column, Auburn Mentis, and the Times of India column, Times of Mind, were widely read and discussed. He has lectured at various management schools and industry platforms the world over and been featured on PBS, CNBC, and BBC World. His books, The High Performance Entrepreneur, was released in 2006 as a Penguin Portfolio publication to great critical acclaim. His second book, Go Kiss the World, was released in 2008 as a Penguin Portfolio. Go Kiss the World by Subrato Bakshi's blind mother's last words to him. These words became the guiding principle of his life. Go Kiss the World is an inspiration to young India and to those who come from small town India, urging them to recognize and develop their inner strength, thereby helping them realize their own unique potential. He was ranked among India's 15 most influential business person by Business Today magazine in 2006. In his new role as a gardener at Mindtree, Bakshi spends one-on-one time with the top 100 leaders at Mindtree on the personal professional issues to expand leadership capacity and build readiness for taking Mindtree into the billion-dollar league. In addition, Bakshi works at the grassroots by making himself available to its 45 communities of practice that foster organizational learning, innovation, and volunteerism within the organization. In the first edition of Texas Exemplo, we present you Mr. Subrato, a high-performance entrepreneur who believes today's ideas are not chasing resources, resources are chasing ideas. Thank you.